This is Trisha Babe, and you're calling Low Hotel. How may I assist you today?
I want to reserve a room.
Thank you. But to address you properly, may I have your full name, please?
Arceline Tayone.
Okay, thank you. Correct me if I'm wrong. Your first name is Arceline. A for Alpha, R for Romeo, C for Charlie, E for Echo, L for Lima, I for India, N for November, and E for Echo. Your last name is Tayone, T for Turkey, A for Alpha, Y for Yankee, O for Oscar, N for November, and E for Echo. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Tayone. Before we continue, may I have your number, please?
It's 09123-456-789.
Okay, thank you. Again, your number is 123-456-789. And may I have your complete address, please?
Lingayen, Pangasinan.
Thank you. May I have also your email address, please?
arcelintayone@gmail.com.
Thank you, Ms. Tayone. Do you want to book a reservation, right?
Yes.
For how many persons?
For 2 person.
And for how many days?
For 3 days and 2 nights.
And it is for when?
On April 16.
Okay, Ms. Tayone, what type of room do you want? We have a deluxe 1 king-size bed. It has air conditions, televisions, kitchenette, and hot and cold shower. It costs 7,000 per night, free breakfast buffet. We also have the standard 1 double bed. It has air conditions and television. It costs 5,000 per night, free breakfast for 2 person. What do you prefer, Ms. Tayone?
I want the deluxe room.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Tayone. How would you like the bill be settled? Cash or credit?
For credit.
Okay, thank you. For credit card, ma'am, you need to deposit 50% for the total bill amount to guarantee your reservation. Would you like to guarantee your reservation, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Tayone, before we proceed for information, this call is recorded.